Hey guys, today we're driving the 2022 Subaru WRX. We are at Road America. As you can see, it's pretty wet out, but this is the first time I've ever driven this car. So we're just gonna take it out on track, see what it's like in a performance driving environment. Of course, we're not gonna be able to push it that hard today. Road America gets pretty slippery in the rain. We have a 6-speed manual transmission, a new turbocharged 2.4 liter boxer 4-cylinder that makes 271 horsepower in this WRX. Still makes a pretty decent noise. Sounds like a boxer engine. You guys have seen what this car looks like. Plenty of videos out on this already. I'm a little bit late to the game driving this car. Of course, we have all the new plastic cladding on the side sills, the fenders, and the rear bumper. Great ingress and egress. The interior packaging and space feels pretty similar to the old WRX, just we have some updated gauges and infotainment with this large vertical touchscreen and just some other changes throughout. I'm pretty excited to experience the extra torque from this 2.4 liter boxer. Peak horsepower numbers are about the same as the last gen WRX, but that 0.4 liters of extra displacement on this car should really be nice to drive on a daily basis and out here today on track. Ooh, yes. Immediately noticing a much meatier torque band from this 2.4. Feels really good. Slightly better tuning with this new WRX. Pulls a little bit stronger to redline. The old car used to be a little bit peakier, a little bit less responsive. Really nice first impressions on this car. We're taking the rain line out here today since it's pretty slippery. I like this shifter. Oh, you guys, this is great. Pedals are perfect for heel-toe downshifts. There's a huge improvement with rev hang compared to the previous generation. Love how this 2.4 responds to throttle inputs. Let's feel low down torque. Feels pretty good. Brakes are getting a little bit tired after a lot of track use today. In the wet, a lot of confidence from this all-wheel drive system. Tires seem to be doing pretty well too out here. Hard into ABS there. Steering is pretty light, not a ton of feel, but enough communication through this chassis to know what's going on. Really impressed with the responsiveness from this new engine, and I love that they finally got rid of the rev hang. Little four-wheel drift there. It is quiet. Could always have a little bit more volume out of these cars. Luckily, there is a pretty sturdy aftermarket. Steering from the front end is really sharp. A lot of response on turn-in. Yeah, this is fun. This is a lot of fun. Good job, Subaru. too. A little bit of a lighter shift action compared to previous generations, but it's quick, it's crisp. Yeah, I really like the way this drives. Very excited to spend some more time in a WRX in the future. Pretty quick steering rack too. Definitely prefer the way it drives over the way it looks, but I think the aesthetics of this new car are gonna start growing on people. It takes a little bit of time for people to get used to a new look, and I think this WRX is definitely gonna age a little bit better with time as far as aesthetics go. And maybe Subaru, you know, they might change up the appearance a little bit with a mid-cycle refresh, you never knew. You've already seen some people paint the plastic cladding. Personally, I think one of these cars with a little bit of a mild lift on a set of rally-oriented coilovers would be, that might be the way to go. That cladding would look pretty good. Make this kind of a WRX wilderness build, so to speak. So anyway, upon first impressions, at least on track, there's a lot to like here with this new engine. Love that they got rid of the rev hang. I really like the way this shifts, and the power band is really quite an improvement over the previous generation. We have some more safety features, some more tech features with this new WRX, and overall makes for a pretty compelling new package. A lot of rear seat space, a lot of practical room throughout this car to use it for everyday tasks. This could be your only vehicle. It's all-wheel drive, great in the snow, great in the winter. Yeah, a nice package. Okay, anyway, excited to spend some more time in one of these. We'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Yeah, these are what? Dunlop Sport Maxes in 18s. Front end kind of looks like the Lavorg that you get out in Japan. Cool. All right, thanks for watching, guys. That's it for this one. We'll see you later.